All right, what we're looking at is a relatively affordable battery trickle charger. I have one from my TBR7. It's been working really well. So I'm going to be installing basically a similar one for my Boom Vader. So this battery charger is actually a two-part system. So what we have here is the centerpiece is a quick connect, has a little cover to protect the connectors should they come in contact with any metal. Also protects them from elements if you happen to have this connector outside of protected area on a motorcycle. I'll have this connector remaining under the seat since the Boom Vader seat is easy to remove with the ignition key. We have an inline fuse to protect it against like short circuit and over current conditions. And then we have these two loop connectors that are color coded that go directly to the battery. This part will remain attached to the battery and the two parts will come together through the Quick Connect series. So the second part is actually the part that plugs into the wall that converts the power from the wall to something that could be used and controlled in order to trickle charge the battery. And as you can see, there is another Quick Connect over here on this end that connects to the Quick Connect that remains on the motorcycle. Using these two parts, we should be able to keep that battery nice and healthy. So let's get to installing it. So the seat's been removed and there's the motorcycle battery. As you can see, they are color coordinated, red and black, just like the trickle charger connectors. To make this a little bit easier, I'm going to pull the battery up, move these wires out of the way. Just to tilt the battery out and then remove these two protective covers. Now on the side here are two screws. So the goal is to remove those screws and attach these connectors to the proper color. Now what helps is this little magnet. So the terminals are soft lead and the bolt actually goes into another steel piece. As you can see, it's magnetic with this magnetic tool. I'm going to connect the battery tender to the negative post. And then screw it back in. Now do your best to cover these terminals. You may have to reposition the posts in such a way that it's easier to slide the battery back down into the chassis. Make sure the connections are nice and tight. And there, the battery sits back down. Now this section of the trickle charger can stay inside the seat well, and then when you get back to your garage, you pop the seat, then plug your other end of the trickle charger here, charge it up. When you come back out, disconnect, put the little safety connector back on, put everything away, and then put your seat on top. And that is it for this part. What I'd like to do is connect the actual charger to this and make sure I get the proper lights. This is the connector from the charger. Remove the motorcycle side of the Quick Connect and just plug it in. So you see the battery charger is plugged into the wall and the Quick Connects are connected to the battery. The 12-volt indicator is on. The charge light is on, as well as the full/maintenance light is flashing right now. So it is charging at 12 volts, and it is, as you can see, not a high amperage charger, so it's only designed for basically topping off and keeping the battery healthy. And that's it for the project. Good luck.